It's frustrating, right? But don't worry, there's a glimmer of hope to potentially get that precious streak back. First, open your Snapchat app, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner, then tap the gear icon in the top right to access your settings. Scroll all the way down in the settings menu until you find Support, tap on Support, and then select I need some help. Now, you'll see a list of common issues look for and tap on Snap Streaks. This is where we'll guide Snapchat on what needs to be done. On this page, scroll down further until you see a button that says Contact Us. Tap on it to initiate your request. You'll be taken to a contact form. Make sure your Snapchat username and email address are correctly filled in the Please Describe Your Problem section. Be clear and polite. You could write something like, Dear Snapchat Support, I accidentally lost a Snapchat streak with my friend's username. We have maintained this streak for a significant amount of time, and it means a lot to us. Is there any possibility you could help restore it? Thank you. Once you've written your description, tap the Send button. This submits your request to the Snapchat support team. Snapchat support will review your request if they can restore it. It may take a few days while you wait. Use this opportunity to reconnect with your friend. Send them a friendly snap or a message. Rebuilding that communication bridge is just as important as getting the streak back sometimes. The conversation itself can rekindle the connection and spark new streaks. Remember, even if the streak isn't restored, this is a great chance to strengthen your friendship. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more social media tips and tricks.